I'm Laura, welcome to St. Luce, and come on in, I'm gonna show you my space. I live in St. Luce and I've been here for 4 years. It's a small town near Rimouski in Quebec. I think the vibe I want to have in my house is the bohemian vibe, the boho decor with a lot of rattan furniture and of course plants to accessorize my decor in my home. So there's my entryway, so I have a little bit of plants over here. I have Ficus, Peperomia and some Hoyas. There's a very nice light in the evening over here. So there's the masterpiece. A lot of my collection is here. It's my living room. This is the place in my house that I have a lot of sunlight during the day. South window, west window. I really like this place. This is the place that I spend the most of my time in here. I have a lot of alocasias in here. Some of them I grew them myself. I also have my I also have my most expensive plants in it. So like my Syngonium Albo and of course, my favorite plants, Monstera Albo over here that I really like a lot, and I have a new leaf coming on the way, along the way. Because she has a lot of white on the leaves that don't do photosynthesis, we have to put her under grow lights. It's very easy to care for. It's like my regular Monstera. We have to water it when the soil is very dry. That's it. All the collectioner wants to have this one because it's very pretty and very rare. First got into houseplants. It was on the first run of my boyfriend at his new work that he have to travel for work. So I was feeling a little bit alone. So I went to grocery shopping, got one, it's going well. So you want to have another one because you succeed with the first one. So you want to have more. I started to like them and learn about them, want to know about my plants, which first I didn't really want to know. I just wanted to put it there and be like, you're pretty, it's perfect, that's it. But it's not like that. You wanna know how to care for your plants. So I have a lot of dead friends, dead green girls, like I wanna call them. I have my collection of Hoyas. I really like them a lot. They're very easy to care for, very nice plants. This one is one of my favorite of them. It's the Krimson Princess Hoya. I really like the color on the leaves. This one is very pretty and I really like the variation of the leaves. I feel like it's painted. It's the Stromanthe Triostar. I really like this one, and this one is the same family, so it's not variegated, it's only green, but I like the deep green that there is on the leaf. Very pretty. So yeah, that's it for this little corner. So let's go in the kitchen. I have a little bit of plants in my kitchen. They're mostly on the shelves over here. So I'm gonna show you which one I like the most on my shelves. I really love this Scindapsus. It's one of my favorite plants that I have in the kitchen. Keep growing. There's a lot of sunlight, as you can see, but not direct on the plants. What I like about plants is that every leaves are unique. There's no copy-paste on the leaves. They are all unique, and I really love that. So I like this little corner in my kitchen. I think it brings a little warmth in the kitchen, that it's all white but a lot of green in it. Over here is my desk. This is where I work. Yeah, I have a little business that I do macrame that I sell. So this is where all of the work is going. We have a lot of sunlight at noon in my office, so many of the plants like that very much. So I'm pretty happy about it. And I have over here my Snow Queen pothos that I like very much. It's an old plant, but it's so pretty, so luscious. I've been reporting this plant this week, so I hope she's gonna be okay. But yeah, in the sunlight like that, she's gonna have a lot of variegation if she had a lot of sunlight. So yeah, this is my little office. This is where I like to do my work. I like to work on my social media, and I like to work on my macrame as well, my little patient. I think plants are like pets. I could say that, but it's not. You can, but yes, you can pet your plant too. But it's very rewarding to have plants. You have to try and learn. If you fail, it's just plants. It's just a plant. You're gonna have another one, and you're gonna try with another one. It's not that bad. At the end, plants have to be simple. You have to enjoy having plants and taking care of your plants in your home and feel like you're in a little oasis. C'est de l'allure, ça.